Hey everyone, is your Aldi mobile SIM card not working? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you easy fixes to get your SIM up and running again. Stay tuned and let's get it sorted. To fix Aldi mobile SIM card not working, restart your phone, reinsert the SIM and ensure proper activation. If issue persists, reset network settings, correct APN configuration or contact Aldi mobile support for assistance. Why Aldi mobile SIM card not working? The SIM card is not activated or re-registered properly. The phone is incompatible with Aldi mobile's network or SIM card. Incorrect APN setting prevent mobile data or SMS functionality. Network outages or poor coverage affect signal reception. The SIM card is expired or blocked due to prolonged inactivity. Porting delays during number transfer can temporarily disrupt services. Insufficient funds or payment issues hinder plan activation or recharge. How to fix Aldi Mobile SIM card not working for a new user? Fix 1. Check for 3G shutdown impact. If you are using an older device, it may be incompatible with Aldi Mobile's updated 4G or 5G network due to the Telstra 3G shutdown. Upgrade to a 4G VoLTE capable device if necessary. For iOS devices, go to settings, then mobile data, then go to mobile data options. Go to voice and data. If you see 4G or LTE, select it. Your device is 4G compatible and VoLTE compatible. For Android devices, go to settings, then network and internet, then go to mobile network and check under preferred network type or network mode. For options like 4G or LTE, if available, your device supported 4G and VoLTE. Fix 2. Check your phone is unlocked. If you are a new customer and bringing your own phone, your device must be unlocked to work with Aldi Mobile. If your phone is unlocked to another network, you may need to unlock it before switching. For iOS, go to Settings, then General, About, and look for Carrier Lock. If it says no SIM restrictions, your iPhone is unlocked. For Android, go to Settings, then Connections, then go to Mobile Network, then tap on Network Operators, then turn off Select automatically. If multiple carriers' name appear, your phone is unlocked. Fix 3. Wait for processing. If you are new to Aldi Mobile, give some to process the activation request. New mobile number activation. Activation typically takes 1 hour but can extend to 4 hours or in rare cases up to 7 to 10 days due to carrier delays. Porting an existing number. Transferring an existing number take 24 to 48 hours during porting hours, Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Saturday 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Keep your old SIM active until service stops. You will receive a SMS and email confirming activation before using the Aldi SIM. Fix 4. Manually select network. Manually re-registering a network as a new user ensure proper activation of your Aldi mobile SIM card, resolve compatibility issues with local network brand and guarantees access to services like VoLTE and emergency calls. For iOS, open settings and go to mobile data or cellular, tap network selection and toggle off automatic. Wait for the list of networks to load, then select your Telstra manually. Restart your device after selecting the network. For Android, open settings and go to connections on network and internet. Tap mobile networks, then select network operators, turn off select automatically, wait for available networks to load and choose your Telstra manually. Ensure correct ID details. Ensure the details provided during activation match your ID exactly to avoid failed verification. If electronic verification fails, Aldi Mobile uses a financial institution account for secondary confirmation, excluding prepaid cards. Fix 6. Retry activation. Your order might be suspended due to failed identity verification. Revisit the Aldi mobile activation page and ensure all information is accurate before resubmitting. Enter activation code from SimKit. Select your number type under keeping your number, no new number or yes keep my number. If you are porting your number, select yes keep my number. You need to provide required details such as current provider name and mobile number. Follow on-screen instructions to activate the SIM. Double check the identity details and payment twice before submitting it. How to fix Aldi Mobile SIM card not working for old users. Fix 1. Restart your device. Turn your phone off and back on to refresh its system and network connections. For iOS devices, turn off by pressing the power button or power plus volume down. For newer models, wait 10 seconds then turn back on. For Android devices, restart or power off using the power or volume button. Wait 10 seconds. If powered off, then turn back on. Verify APN settings, MMS. Ensure your phone APN access point name settings matches those provided by Aldi Mobile. Incorrect APN settings can prevent MMS from being sent or received properly. APN details of Aldi Mobile. Name mobile data APN mdata.net.au. If this doesn't work, try telestra.internet. MMSC http mmsc.mdata.net.au 8003. MMS proxy 10.1.1.180. MMS port 80. MMS protocol IPv4 or IPv4 or IPv6. MCC 505 MNC0 APN type default DUN supple MMS. Leave the remaining fields blank. For Android, go to settings, then network and internet, then go to SIM card and mobile network. Select your SIM, access point name plus sign, add a new APN details. For iPhone, APN settings are usually configured automatically but can be checked under settings. Then go to mobile services, mobile data network, edit APN settings, enter the Aldi mobile APN details, save the settings and enable it, then restart your phone. Fix 3. Check signal strength. Weak signal can cause network issues. Move to an area with a better reception or check if there are outages in your area. Go to Aldi mobile coverage page. Input your address in the search bar. Click search icon to get the details. To check server status, go to Aldi mobile server status page where you can see notification regarding service outages. If error is from their side, the issue will be resolved automatically within 2 hours. Reset network settings. For iPhone, go to settings, then general, then go to transfer or reset iPhone, reset network settings. For Android, go to settings, then system, then go to reset options, reset Wi Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth, then confirm. It will erase saved Wi Fi networks and settings, so reconnect afterward. Reinsert the SIM. Reinserting the SIM card helps resolve Wi Fi calling issues by ensuring proper alignment in the tray and refreshing its connection to the network. For iOS, use a SIM ejector tool to remove the SIM tray left or right side. Take out the SIM card, clean it gently and reinsert it securely. For Android, SIM tray is commonly found on the side, top or bottom edge. Follow the same process using the ejector tool or a paper clip, ensuring the SIM is properly aligned before reinserting. Check for plan credit or expiry. Ensure your Aldi mobile plan is active and you have a sufficient PAYG credit. If required for MMS, even unlimited plans may need active credit for certain features. To check balance, SMS the word balance to 590 from your Aldi mobile handset to receive an update on your SIM status. Method 1. Using website. Log into Aldi mobile app to view your PAYG credit. Click on your phone number in your account dashboard. If your balance is low, navigate to manage account, then go to my services, then tap on recharge, pay as you go to top up your credit. Method 2. Add data using app. Open your app and log in. Go to dashboard by clicking the first icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. If you want to add more data, tap add button near add extra data to add more data. If you want renew your plan, click recharge to buy new plan. Fix 7. Check for device issue. Insert the SIM card into a different compatible phone to rule out device specific issues. If it works, there might be an issue with your device. You need to replace or repair the mobile. Fix 8. Replace the SIM. If your SIM card is old, it might not support newer network technologies. Consider purchasing a new SIM card as some users have reported these resolve issues like VoLTE activation. Contact Aldi Mobile customer support at 1300989000 and request for free SIM replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.